Hi there, welcome back. It is so good to see you again. So as you would have probably read from the title above, today's video is about my nighttime skincare routine. It's not a very long routine, but it is something I do every night without fail, and I think it is very important to have a very good nighttime skincare routine because रात का ही time होता है when your skin repairs itself and rejuvenates itself. Because दिन में इतना कुछ हो रहा होता है, so night is the time when it relaxes. So it is very important to let your skin breathe properly throughout the night. So yes, without making this intro any longer, let's dive right into it. The first step obviously is to change into your night suit, and I'm already in mine. So after that, I begin with cleaning my face. And before washing my face, if I have any sort of makeup on, it is very essential to take off your makeup. Matlab, if you're drunk, if you're sleepy, if you're tired, it could be any reason, but please take off your makeup before sleeping. I don't have much makeup right now. I just think I have a little bit of lipstick, but I use this simple micellar water to clean my face up. Just a tad bit of it. Make sure you get your entire face clean and your neck. Neck is very, very important. So after cleaning with micellar water, the next step is the face wash. Right now I'm using this Wow aloe vera face wash because I have very acne prone skin and I have very, very oily skin. And this face wash comes with a fantastic inbuilt silicone bristle. It's super gentle on the face, and honestly this is my second bottle and I'm absolutely loving this face wash. So after the face wash comes the toner. So as for now, I'm using Gulab Jal as my toner. I keep changing the skincare routine quite a lot, and I basically like experimenting with different products and new products. But the routine that I'm showing you right now is what I have been doing for the past month and a half or 2 months at least, and it has been working for me. So right now I'm using Gulab Jal. I've just put some in a spray bottle because it's more convenient to apply. Now comes the moisturizer. So my absolute favorite and my go-to for a night cream is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I think this is my 4th tub and it is empty. Like basically 3-4 applications bachi and that is it. So I absolutely love it. If you are somebody from the acne prone family or you are somebody from the oily skin family, I highly recommend this product. With this, I'll add the Nykaa Skin Potion. It's the anti-acne facial oil. I'll just take 2-3 drops in the moisturizer and I'll mix it and apply. I was always very reluctant to use facial oils, but I have been using this very regularly for the past 2 months and it is doing a great job. So I have mixed both the things well. That is 90% of the routine done. This is where generally people stop it, but I have gotten myself into 2 more steps. The first is an eye serum. I have made this at home. It's made with aloe vera and coffee for my under eyes. I, touch wood, do not have dark circles, but I see a little darkness under my eyes, and before it becomes a problem, I thought of treating it. And this has been working pretty well and it's very, very relaxing. And also, it's coffee. It smells wonderful. next step, I have been using this Biotique Bio Myristica Spot Correcting Anti-Acne Face Pack. This is only a spot correction for active pimples. I do this as and when required. It's not my daily step. This is what it looks like, and right now I have only one active pimple, which is great for me. So yeah, I just apply this for the full night and I'll wash it off in the morning. And this actually works, like 2 days and the pimple is gone. I will finish it off with a good old lip balm. And that's done. So that was my nighttime skincare routine. It looked very long, but in totality I think it just takes me around 10 minutes and I think it's absolutely worth it. I hope you like this video, and if you like these product recommendation sort of a video or my routine videos, please let me know. I would love to make more if this was of your interest. Other than that, I hope you're staying home. I hope you're staying safe. Take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.